Tudor Dixon is the projected winner of the Michigan Republican gubernatorial race. Tudor Dixon was endorsed by former President Trump, as well as the DeVos family. You'll remember that Betsy DeVos was Trump's education secretary, and she actually resigned in the wake of January 6th, making some Republicans think that that could be a risky move to accept.
In fairness, Trump's endorsement was super late here, didn't really have an impact.
11th hour.
And one could argue that Kevin Rinke was running a more Trumpier campaign.
Yeah.
But this Republican primary was decided when a bunch of candidates couldn't get on the ballot due to bad petitions.
That's right.
So Tudor Dixon became
right.
the sort of fifth choice of the Republicans after they lost their first choice.
That's right.